Alright guys, how you can change multi-window application in Hot 60 Pro Infinix phone. It's pretty much simple. Swipe from your multi-window, and then you need to scroll down and tap on edit. From here you wanted to remove whatever that you guys don't want it to exist here. Instagram, Gmail, screenshot, or even file manager and Google Chrome. Now add whatever that you guys wanted to add here. Let's add games like Asphalt, the messages, music clear here. Also, let's go with TikTok, photos. Alright, you can add as much as you wanted to. You can see that. Once you guys are happy with this, you guys are good to go. You can also drag and drop this tool as well if you wanted to. For example, lock screen, tap and done. Now you have edited the multi-window. Let's all use tools because I just wanted to test it out and worked perfectly fine. This is it. This is how you can change the multi-window. Now you can open your favorite apps on multi-window, just like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.